Luke 16:10-17. And it reads, say, anybody where you can trust with little bit, you can trust them with whole heap too. And anybody where you can't trust with little bit, you can't trust them with whole heap neither. If people can't trust you with money or they sitting them in the world, who are going to trust you with anything where really worth something? If them can't trust you with other people things, who are going to give you nothing for yourself? No servant can't serve two masters. You we hate one and love the other one. Or you we run go do anything we one want, but not do business with the other one. Only can't serve God and money. The Pharisees them laugh after Jesus when them hear this, cause them love money. Jesus said to them, "Una always make una self look good to other people, but God know una heart. You see all them sitting where people love, God nah no use for them." Before John come, people did have to follow Moses' law and what the prophet them write down. But since him come and the good news about God's kingdom are preached same way, everybody a fight for get in there. It would have quicker for eat for heaven and earth mash up than for the littlest letter in the law change. And God word this. Thank God.